So this is another day in the life of why we're here. Come in, and the door's kind of partially open here, as you can see. So we're going to have to dig that out, get the snow out of it so we can actually shut the door. Because if we don't do it, the bloody room's going to fill up with snow. Shovel this out. Just getting behind it. Can't say anything, mate. Nothing. That was a bit of fun. That was crazy. Hey man, well done. Yeah. Oh, there's so much frost on the front. Here we go, now it's melted. Let's get a better look at that. That's nuts, man. Oh wow. Well done, bro. Oh, God, my hand's frozen. We got no idea how much snow's around this GoPro. Look at all that. Ah. Okay, you're going away. So after Mal and I have cleaned the carport this morning and tried to seal up the door as best we can, I've come back a couple of hours later and you can pretty much see what's going on here. A couple of little gaps down there where the wind's just blowing through the side of the door. crazy. Now we've decided we're not using the doors here, otherwise I'd have a look out there and show you what's going on, but it's a pretty fair indication that it's windy outside.